This conference will now be recorded.
Only three people are here. One is Ankita, Pravalika, and Priyanka, and Elna, and any still someone has to just join. Harika, okay, and Lakshmi is not joined today, and Neha, Sojana, and Ritika, Lakshita, Wazia, and Faiza, Shreya, right? Okay, and Vaishnavi and Merlin. And guys, see, from last time also, we just started and no one is connected on Saturday. And just waited for some 10 to 15 minutes. And then some few things we need to discuss before starting the session. Okay, and one is, and guys, don't use some different URLs. Okay, while you are creating your report, your MS Word document report. Guys, I'm audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine, perfect. Okay, and the first point. Okay, don't use some different link, the URL. Okay, so whatever that reference link which I given, that you can please follow it, because some other different URL, it is not relevant to our internship work. Okay, got it clear, right? So whatever that URL reference link, so please that you can able to make it follow. Okay, I couldn't able to answer for all the things to your project mentor. They are telling that this URL will be get different. Okay, so I'm just telling that they are doing other activities, so additional things they are working in this what is the report generator. Okay, so use that same URL link which I'm sending. So and then Elna, your date format, everything it is incorrect. Okay, you mentioned some different date, and then later I changed that your date format and I uploaded again in your portal itself. Okay, so see to that. Okay, this is your report, and check whether all the information is correct. Okay, your name of the student, and then what is the name of the organization, the TCS ION, that letter I is small, and then your project, that means your mentor name, then name of the institute is NICT, and check whether you returned correct date, number of hours, and then what is it, activity number 7, 8. Okay, so please take care that work. Okay, and then still what is that, I'm getting some issue from the TCS. Okay, that thing it goes with the plagiarism. Okay, so it is in that plagiarism values, it is more than 30%. Okay, so try to stop copy pasting the record, okay, from the Google. Okay, so write some own word. And Ritika, your report, the Power BI report is verified. And guys, you just take a look, if is it the values of get updated. Okay, so task number 1 and 2 and 3 done. Okay, so still task number 4 and 5 is pending. And then, guys, is it clear? And right now, the Merlin Rose, your profile is not activated from recently. So still it is in what is that blacklist. And then Vaishnavi, you not yet started. Okay, so at least you completed task 1 and task 2. So go and start your pre-test and try to complete. And next, and Lakshita and Meha and Lakshmi. Guys, again, I'm just repeating the same word. Okay, I'm not getting the point. Okay, what is the problem is over here for this 4 to 5 people. Okay, so just start your internship. Listen, okay, at any cost, okay, your profile is get lost. Okay, in case your work is not happening from every day. Okay, so next time you couldn't able to have a login. Okay, even I couldn't able to change the password also. From my side also, I couldn't able to do anything. So that moment you can't generate that your TCS internship certificate. Okay, right? So see to that. try to complete your what is that pre-test assessment and work on your all tasks and simultaneously concentrate on reports too. Okay, fine, guys. Is it clear? Any doubt? And Harika, you must need to start up your work. Okay, so you completed that your pre-test. You concentrate on your report. Okay, the task is okay, fine. I'm happy about this. Task 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's good. Work on your report 1 and report 2. Okay, so take that video reference which is posted in our WhatsApp group. Okay, so see to that and complete your report 1 and report 2. And try to complete all the 4 reports. Okay, so not only 2. So keep that 7.14 and work on report 1, report 2, report 3 and 4. Okay, so 4 reports try to complete by today and upload by today itself. Okay, right? Fine. And then Lakshita, your profile is all, yeah, perfect. And then Lakshita, your profile is also not good. And I'm not sure. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So let's start with the today's session. Okay, this is the final task in Power BI. Okay, so almost everything is perfect. And this is the task number 5. So final task. Right? So I'm going to give that one final task for you. You can create one own dashboard using that, what is it? Data set. Okay, got it clear, right? And then after completing this task number 5, we have to suppose to start with Tableau. Okay, got it clear, right? So this Tableau contains only 3 tasks. It's not more than 3 tasks. Okay, almost internship is going to get end. Okay, fine. So after that, we have to start working with that report, project report and Viva. Okay, got it clear, right? So be little fast. And first, we will try to complete this task number 5. Okay, guys. So this is what your final internship work in Power BI. Okay. So what is the procedure and how to get the data set from internet? Okay. So the task number 5, you just type that word office supplies data set. Okay. In Google, you just type that word office supplies data set. Okay, right? So make it enter button. Fine. And then it will go to that website, Google, and click on that. Fine. So here you can able to find that the download. Okay, right? So 738 bytes. Okay, right? So you can able to make it little scroll down. You can able to see to the data set. The data set file which is available in internet 1.79 KB. Okay, guys. So the file is office supplies.csv file. It is not Excel file. So keep it in mind, and you need to import in Power BI using CSV file format. Okay. And once if you find this file and click on this button download, and then extract that file, I'll click on this show in folder. I'm not going to share this file. Okay. You have to go to this website. You have to download by manual. Okay. So that moment in future, it will be very easy for you. I'll cut that file. Okay, I'll take up in any one of the folder. Okay, so right click on this extract file, extract here. The data set you can able to get it from internet, office supplies. I'll just make it double click over on the CSV file format. Guys, you just take a look. Order date. Okay, that is one column. Order date is one column. And then there is that one more column is region. And one more column is representative name. Okay, Richard, Nick, Morgan, Suzanne, Matthew. Okay, so that is that representative name. And then item is the name of the item the person is selling. Number of units is one more column. Unit price. So total example Richard, the total number of units is 62. Each unit cost is 4.99. Okay, fine. So now this is what a data set. So this data set is contains up to around 43 records are available. Okay, 43 records. So I can find that region is east. Okay, I'll just make it highlight that column, region column. One is east and central, and then west. Okay, I think only for 3 regions are available here. Yeah, I think, yeah, there is no north over here. Fine, 3 regions. Okay, in this column, we have only 3 regions. What is the task in Power BI? I want to find out region-wise who is the toppest salesperson, that is the toppest representative name. Okay, guys. So the task number 5 in Power BI, not in Excel. Okay, is a final task. In Power BI to find highest salesperson, that means highest sales representative in region wise. How to find? Okay, got it. So in Power BI, not in Excel. Okay, right. So don't use any Excel over here. Okay, you have to suppose to use in Power BI. So task number 5, the final task of Microsoft Power BI to find highest salesperson in region wise. So whether I want to find out unit or unit price, I want to find out both. Okay, right? So both in unit, both in unit price too. Okay, right? So one chart, it has to represent for unit wise who is the topper, and one more chart, it has to display simultaneously. Okay, it has to display that unit price. Okay, fine, guys. Now in Power BI, okay, got it clear, right? You just take a look. Okay, what I teach, the dashboard. Okay, right. So little bit I designed some other people. Okay, so if I click some different countries, okay, so this and all automatically it has to move to that different country. Okay, so that is what your task number 4, which we completed from last session, I guess. Okay, so you can see to that the value as a single card, and then slicer tool and slices for date and logo and the name of the thing. Okay, and I see in some of your Power BI task number 4, it is really good. I appreciate. And then still you can able to add some more background images and coloring effects, and guys, whatever the charts which you want to use, you can use it off. Okay, and some of them you use donut chart, you can also use the donut also. Okay, it will be look good. Okay, so the donut is also one of the important charts over there. And then you can also use this map and all. Okay, and table also it is available for presentation. I just used some few charts for the designing purpose. For data visualization, you can present your data. It should be in any format. Okay, right? There is no what is that point of question. You have to use this chart for the data visualization. Okay, right? So the first step number 1, you need to go to that. Okay, I'll open that one new Power BI. Okay, I'm not going to complete this task. Okay, this is your task number 5. I given that outline. I have that order date, region, representative name, and item name, and unit, and then unit price. Okay, that's one few set of data. Okay, around it contains 6 columns. That's it. Okay, in your Power BI, import that CSV file, that office supply files. You can import it off. Once if it is done, and you have to find in region wise who is the toppest person in unit. And one more question, 2 questions. Okay, and same similar kind for region wise to find the toppest person in unit price amount. Okay, got it clear? So how it should be there? Okay, you can go to that get data. I hope you have what is that option for CSV file to import. I'll close on this info image. Yeah, click on this get data and you can use that option text/CSV. Okay, right? So this is that format you want to import, that CSV file format. And once if it is import, okay, so you can use some 2 or more than number of charts. Yes, yes, yeah, I'm done. Yes, the record is started. Okay, yeah. So once if it is done, you can use 2 or more number of charts. You can also use what is that single card, or if you want, you can use multi-card also. Fine. This is a single card, and this is what is it? Multi-row card. Okay, fine. So now this is what your task number 5 in Power BI. You are supposed to work on it. Okay, let's see. So who can complete this task? It should be like background. Well, just apply some wallpaper. Fine. Any work related wallpaper, you can apply it, and then you can use some more what is a design format also. You can also find shape. Okay, if you can also use this octagon shape and make it mark values. Okay, fine. And then buttons, if you want to use, you can use this button. Fine, right? So use some more features which is available. If you do more research about Power BI, you can create what is the most beautiful dashboard. Okay, fine. So till the time, all that your work. Okay, I really appreciate Ankita and Priyanka, and then what is that, Ritika. Next, the person. Okay, Pravalika. Then who is that? One more, Vazia, I guess. I think. Okay, fine. Okay, so you can target and Shreya. Okay, fine. Okay, right. And okay, so you work. It is good. Okay, so see to that you can use some different charts and make your presentation. It should be like looks beautiful. Okay, fine. Because is it the task is clear? Or shall I need to repeat one more time? Is it that task number 5 is clear in Power BI?
So can you just briefly explain it once again?
Yeah. So here you can see to that I have that person. Okay, the person is from Richard, right? It's East region. Okay, right. So I have that one more person, Nick. Nick is also in East region. Same similar kind, Suzanne. So now, if you talk about that Richard, Nick, and Suzanne, and again the Richard, that Richard is already is there pencil. The person is working one more product also pencil. The total unit is 62 and 35. So what will happen? The 2 will be get added. Same similar kind. The Nick is working for one product, and the Nick is saying he is working for one more product in East region. So there is a competition in that East, Richard versus Nick. I want that who is the toppest person based on that unit. One chart. Okay, right? And same similar kind, I want one more chart for unit price. Who is the toppest? Fine. So that moment you will get one beautiful graph. Okay, so based on that east region, okay, I'll get that example. The topmost is what is that? Richard, you think? So that person name will be okay. So I'll give one chart over here. Okay, so this is that column. So now here I have that person example. Okay, so Nick is the person, and then next I have that one more person example Suzanne, and then one more person is from Richard. Okay, and the three people or they are working in that region, this east region. Okay, right? In east region, I'm finding that who is that highest salesperson for in unit. Okay, that is clear, right? So based on this column, so what is that value? So example total. Okay, so here the NICT value. So here I have the NICT, the value is 29 and 29 plus some other value, example 100. Okay, what is clear? So the total unit is 100 and next person, Suzanne. Okay, right? 85. So the next person is what is it? Richard. The value is 60. Okay, right? So this is one chart you need to present in Power BI. Highest salesperson in region wise based on unit. So one more chart. Say highest salesperson in region wise based on unit price. Okay. So that moment maybe Richard will be topper person because that is the unit price. Okay. Got it clear? Is it clear? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine, perfect. Okay, guys. So this is what your task number 5 in Power BI. So it never used to take that much of time. You can complete this task within 10 to 15 minutes. So only for presentation things, it takes a lot of time. For applying background and then that category data labels, you can make it little enable. Okay, you can put more effort for your effects, making that what is it? Data should be in somewhere. Data it will be in a white in color. I couldn't able to see that name. For example, you can see that the value. It should be like it's creative, right? So make it black. So that moment I can see to that range. It will be easy. Okay, guys. So this is that your task number. What is that? 5 in last. Okay, in Power BI's work. And then next step, we have to go to that next level. So report we need to generate. Guys, for this report, you please follow the same URL. Okay. Report number 9 and then report number 10. Okay. Got it clear? For this 2, I'll give that reference link. Okay. So in group, in chat window, I can copy and paste it. Please, you can use that same URL. So don't use some different URLs. It is not matching for our intention title. Okay, so fine. So now here I can log into that one of your profile. And yeah, one second, I'll log into that NICT. Somewhere I've seen here. Here, just take a look, NICT. There is that some date is incorrect. Okay, fine. So no worry about it. Okay, I recorrected. Okay, fine. So you before that, okay, these are the small issues. Okay, so concentrate on your what is that? Your profile before upload. Yeah, so almost you discussed with me. Okay, even I'm not take a look into the date format. I thought it, so it will be a, what is that? So I'm just checking your content. Okay, I'm not what is that, focused on your number of hours and space. Oh, this is a small issue. Okay, so from that upcoming activities, you just take a look, and then you can upload your data. Okay. And for this project reference, okay guys, so now you can target next activity based on the Chief Learning Officer website. Okay, use that same URL link, so don't go with that any other new link over there. And I seen that in one of the report, the person is choose this what is that article. Yeah, it is really good. Okay, so see to that. Okay, so some URLs you need to work on it. Okay, so you can go to that Chief Learning Officer and click on this event. Okay, again I will repeat. Go to that chieflearningofficer.com, click on this event, and you can able to find that webinar. Okay, so work on this URL link. This is what your report number 9. Okay, guys, if you want that link, I'll just share in a chat window. Okay, you just take a look. Guys, check into the chat window. I given the link. You can able to mark it. This report, guys, have you received that link? You just take a look into the chat window. No? Guys, please take a look in chat window. I given that link URL. And this report number 9 and 10. Okay, so only the few people you need to work, not for all. I'll give the name list. Okay, Priyanka, and then you can target for report number 9. What is it? 9 and 10. And Shreya and Enna Pravalika. Next, I want to know, no. And Vazia, next Ankita and Ritika. Okay, right? So only you people concentrate on this report number 9 and 10 by today. Okay, got it clear, right? By today, I want that report, at least one report. Today, I want at least one report. From tomorrow, you can target your report number 10. Guys, is it clear? Fine, good. And then report number 10. Okay, for this, your link is slow. So the next you can use with that resource. This is that URL number 10. Okay, even I can copy this URL and I'll share in chat window. Right. So those two reports, and I given that name list, right? So you can able to target this report number 9 from today, and then from tomorrow you can target report 10. Okay, the people who completed task number 3 up to in Power BI. So only you can target this report number 9 and 10. Okay, got it clear, right? Guys, is it clear? So this is that report number 9 and report number 10. Have you marked this one? Guys, respond my question is, have you noted? Yeah, fine. Okay, fine, guys. So now the next we need to target. Okay, so next step we have to forward here. Once if it is what is it up to your task number 5 is completed, just you can go to that next level. From that little I can able to make it scroll up. I'll select this 3 lines and I can able to make it mark. So you have to work with Tableau. Okay, so here we have only 3 tasks. Task number 1, task number 2, and task number 3. Okay, right? And here, okay, so how this Power BI is going to get work. And then from that introduction of Power BI, I said the word compared to Microsoft Power BI, the Tableau contains more trending software in overseas, not in India. Okay, in India, Power BI is the most important usable tool for data science and data analysts. Okay, for the people who are working with that data visualized and for generating the reports. But the Tableau, that space is entirely different. This Tableau is not free of cost; it's a paid version. Okay, got it? So as per for education wise, you can able to use this software for trial version for 14 days trial. Okay, right? For 14 days you can able to use, you can learn, and so once the 14 days trial version is get expired, okay, what we can able to do if I continue some practice? You need to use alternate email ID for registration, guys. Okay, in one email ID you can able to take for 14 days trial, and then for that one more email ID you can able to work again 14. Okay, so it's a paid version, right? It is not like Microsoft Power BI. It's not an open source. Fine. So now here, what I'm going to do, you just go to that Tableau website, you just install the software and make it ready from the tomorrow session. Okay, from tomorrow, I'm going to start this Tableau with basic introduction, and I'm going to use this Office supplies over there. Okay, that Office supplies data files, right? So you presented in Microsoft Power BI. Now I'm going to do that in Power BI, in Tableau, I'm going to work. Okay, that moment you can able to see to that. Okay, what's the difference between Power BI and Tableau? So that moment, once if you go for what is that placement job wise, So you have that confidence. So both the software is not different. Both the softwares are similar. Okay, but some technical words will be get different. Some small words. What we are talking about here, filters, visualize, and then fields. Only those parts will be differ. Okay, right? But the final outcome is similar. Okay, the final outcome is what is the dashboard? Okay, presentation. So that is what. So first we can target about this Power BI. When you are entering into the Tableau, it's very easy. Even if they learn Tableau, if they're working in Power BI, it's very easy. So don't think the two softwares are different. Both the softwares will have that same visualization. Compared to Power BI, Tableau is most an advanced business intelligence tool for market. Okay, fine. So you have that knowledge in this internship period. Okay, that moment you first we targeted Excel, now we targeted Power BI, and we targeted now the next tool is Tableau. Okay, right, guys. So I just let you know that how to download the software from internet. And this Tableau you can find for both operating system for Windows and Mac. But Microsoft company that they started to work with Power BI for trial version after they removed that, but still they not yet updated. Okay. So here, if you are using Windows operating system, you just type the Tableau desktop download. Okay, right. So here you can able to make it fine. Download Tableau desktop today and start visualizing your data. It works only for the 14 days trial. Okay, fine. So keep that thing and click on this download Tableau desktop over here. Fine. And then here you have to fill your information, your first name, last name, and your business email ID. Business email ID is nothing but you can give your personal email ID itself. For the organization, you just type student. Okay, so business email ID, you just type your normal, what is it, your personal email ID only, not required that. Okay, and here you can able to give that company size, so 1 to 20, you can give job role, you can give student. Organization, okay, sorry, organization you can type MCC, fine. In job role you can give student, and department you can give the department which you are working over there, fine. So now you can select IT, and you can go with that the country, and then what is that? Your registered mobile number. Okay, that means your mobile number you can able to give. Guys, type your name and last name and your personal email ID and organization, company size, department and student and India, and enter your mobile number and click that start down. What is that? Download free trial. Okay, right. So once if it is downloaded and there is no any what is the requirement for installation, same similar kind how you repeat how you done for Microsoft Power BI, the same procedure. Next, accept and finish that installation. Okay, right. So it never used to ask that any product key and all. By starting, it will work as a free trial. Okay, guys. So once if it is done, okay, I'll just log into my profile. Let me show you that one few things. Guys, I logged into my profile. Okay, right? Is just for what is that? It is not professional website. Is for one of what is it? Student for educational wise it's created. Okay, so in the website I can show you that what are the things you can able to do. Okay, right? So here I can able to find that Tableau public. So in public you can able to share. Okay, fine. Sorry, 1 second. Let me check. Guys, here you can able to take a look. Okay, so this is the Tableau, which is worked as a session in MCC for your seniors. Okay, from so little long. Here, employee salary report. This is one presentation. Okay, same similar. You can also create a dashboard. Okay, right? So MCC student workflow dashboard and net salary. You can place image, and you can also work with what is that payroll system. Okay, and then you people you worked in Power BI, that movie result, right? So here also I can work in Tableau. Okay, right? But still more presentation also we can able to target. And then we work that candidate result, right? Accept and rejected. Here you can able to take a look. The candidate interview report. Okay, right? So from the top of the person, what is it? Accepted people. So these are the accepted people. And here you can able to take a look. These are the rejected people. So I can see to that. Okay, got it? So this, you can make it ready. Okay, right? So do one small research on how to download this Tableau desktop and installation. And you can also get that Tableau public login. You can log into that public. You can make it ready. From tomorrow, I'll just let you know that how to use all the tools, how to start with Tableau, and how to work my profile in public, and how to add this URL into my what is that resume, right? So this part and all we will discuss from tomorrow session, right? Guys, is it clear? Any doubts over there? Guys, is it clear? Shall I end the session today? Okay. And Bazia. Maybe the server, it has to be get down. Okay, so let me check. Let me check that you are what is that report 8 number. Just a moment. Go to that report number 8. Okay, so go to that td.org. Maybe that server is down. Yeah, fine, better. And type that ATD research. So this is report number 8 URL link. I just given that link in chat window box. You can use it off. Check whether how you receive. You got the link? Fine, good. Okay, guys. So I'll end the sessions today. Okay. So make that Tableau software should be installed in your system. And from tomorrow, we will target how to work and how to start with Tableau. Okay, right? See you. Bye.